Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the content that I've been dishing out so far. Today we are going to go into we're going to do another eyeshadow look with our um, Moonstruck Addiction Palette 4. And this is a teal slash coppery eyeshadow palette. So I know lots of people say, oh, I can't wear blue, I can't wear teal, that kind of colour. No, that's just crazy. Well, hello. Do you really think it's that crazy? And then someone said, oh yeah, but you're No, no, darling. If you want to wear it, you wear it, okay? If there's something that you feel like you need to, there are no rules. That kind of are, but rules are meant to be broken. So just do what you want. Who cares? Okay? Yes, someone says, okay, you shouldn't do this with that or whatnot. But as long as it works out, then go for it. Now, there are certain things that just can't be done. It's not that you shouldn't do them. It's like sometimes you shouldn't really mix cream products with powder products or liquid products and so on and so forth, because they just won't chemically mix. But when it comes to who says you can't wear bright tearing red lipstick with this color eyeshadow, if you want to wear that, then heck yeah, do that. Do you know? There are no rules when it comes to stuff like that. So don't be afraid. If you want to do something, you do something, okay? So here we've got this lovely palette, okay? And we are going to be using Tender. We're gonna pick four colors, remember? Tender, and that's gonna be our highlight color. And then we are going to have these last three down there, which are Honest, Cheerful, and Triumphant. And yes, so we are going to have our smoky blue eyes for the midnight, you know. Okay, so here we go. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to put on your notifications so you know when I'm back with another video. Okay, right, so we're gonna just go straight into it. Okay, right, let's go. So the first thing that we are going to do, as usual, you will hear me say this all the time, you just don't do an eyeshadow look without primer. It's a crime not to prime. And look at that. Do you see all of that? All of that bit there. That's because I've got oily eyelids, okay? And I'm trying to blend it in. And it's creasing. So how am I going to stop that? I'm going to stop that by using my Moonstruck eyeshadow primer. Okay? So just squirt out a little out of the bottle. That's a little bit too much. So there we go. And you can put that on your hand, on your finger, and wipe that on. Or you can do like me and put it on a brush. Me, I like to put it on a brush once I've already got my makeup done. It's very sticky, can you see? It's very like tacky. And that's because it sticks, all the shadow will stick to your eye. Now, what does an eye primer do? It makes the colours, all of your colours, so much more vibrant. Now, I'm going to start off with I'll tell you what brushes I'm using as I go. I'm going to start off with my liner shader brush. And this, I'm just going to use it to go in with Tender, that is the lighter colour, the highlight colour that I told you about. And I'm just going to get it stuck in there. And I can go back in there and get that brightened up, because that one's finished. And then I can go back in there and brighten up the brow bone too. There we go. And that's what I'm going to do here. I like this brush. It's nice and light, and it's easy to maneuver. I can put on my eyeliner with it, with the little tip. I absolutely love it. Okay, so that is my highlighting bit done. Okay, now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go from light right into the darkest. So I'm gonna go in with Honest, and Honest, I am going to use a deluxe brush. Can you see? It's broad that way and then sort of flat and fluffy-ish, because it can give a little bit of a blend, but it allows, you can lay down this. Anytime you're putting eyeshadow on your lid, you need a flat brush like this. Okay, okay, tools are your friend. You need to use the correct tools, or else that's where you'll kind of first bump into your first bump in the road. Okay, so don't say Auntie Laverne didn't warn you. Tools are like, a plumber can't go out without his tools and expect to do his work properly now, can he? Exactly. It's the same with you. So do you notice how I'm patting? I've literally just patted. No swiping, no wish-washing, just pat down onto the lid. I'm getting that packed on because I want maximum coverage. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so what was I saying about the primer? So it's smudge proof. Okay, so that eyeshadow is not going anywhere. I like to say it's waterproof, but it's smudge proof, because at the end of the day, you can go swimming in this. Your eyeshadows will not be going anywhere. Lasts all day. Lightweight, you can't even feel it on your eyes. Like, hello. Okay, then we're going in for cheerful, and I'm going to use the angled shadow sponge brush. Okay, as you can see, that's angled, and I will show you why I want to use the angled brush. There's a reason why I want to use that today. So let's go in. Don't forget to tap off the excess, and look at how this angle, and I can just switch and do my V. Vroom, vroom. And I can go back that way if I wanted to. Look at that. And she blends too. She blends as well. So this is an amazing brush. This is why I love this brush. Especially if you're new to the game and you really want a good, nice V, all you need to do, just use the angled shadow brush. And as you can see, I am just putting the product in. It's not time for me to go in and sort of blend anything out yet. It's not necessary. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm trying to take this up. There we go. Take this up to the brow bone. Because what I want is, I want a nice sort of fade. So there we go. Do you like this smoky look? And people think smoky is difficult, but it isn't really. Once you get the hang of it, and look at the angle at which I can use this brush, and she just does what I tell it to, without any complaints. She talks to me. Okay, so there we are. We are almost done. Can you see that? Do you see that? Okay, and then we are going to take our blending brush. See that lovely brush? Our blending brush, and go into Triumphant. We're going to dip into Triumphant, and then we are going to kind of do the same thing we just did. Do our lovely little V, and then we are going to try and get that blended out towards the brow bone. how beautiful. Just how beautiful is this shadow, and it feels so smooth. Now this eyeshadow palette is what's in our February 2020 beauty box. So if you wanted to join, or if you wanted a heck of a lot of makeup for an amazing bargain, then this is one of the things that you'll be getting in there. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to go in with my blending brush, and my blending brush has got nothing on it at the minute, so I'm just going to try and blend outwards so that, and can you see the circular motion? But I'm trying to take it upwards. This is how I'm sort of flicking it. So I'm taking most of the product. Say hello. Okay. There we go. So now it's time to get a little bit more going on. Now, did you see what I just did? I took my blending brush. This is what tends to give me my nice shape on the corners when I want smoky eyes as well. So if I'm missing if it's not quite coming out the way I want to, all I do is take my blending brush, dip it into the shade that I want, and just do that, just dab. And it kind of, it's blending whilst I'm going, kind of dabbing straight at it, it's blending at the same time. So then that's how it can give me that nice smoky eye look. Okay, so this baby is done. So now what I'm going to do is go and do my mascara. That is it. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Don't forget to come back. Don't forget to tell others about me, so that we can get this lovely little family growing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the bell is somewhere below, somewhere. I still need to figure it out. So yeah, I'll figure it out, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you exactly where it is and where to go. But I'm pretty certain you already know. Just subscribe, just tell others about me, and like this video, and don't forget to place your comments as well. Let me know what you think. If there are any other videos that you'd like to see, just let me know, and I will be happy to oblige. Okay, right, that's me. It's a wrap. I will see you very, very, very soon. I need a catchphrase. What would be my catchphrase? I don't know. But a catchphrase should be coming soon. Well, what do you think? You tell me. Come on. Put it in the comments. Tell me what you think my catchphrase should be. My hello catchphrase, my goodbye catchphrase, my in the middle catchphrase, you know? Okay, right. Now I'm just waffling. Okay, so I am going to zip it and say goodbye. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon in my next